Hey friends, this is Amy. Welcome to my video. In this video, basically I will be sharing my experience, what was happening when I had done dual monitor setup with the help of HDMI to VGA converter. Actually, I had used DP converter to get the extra screen attached over here. So what was happening when monitor or when the system was getting restarted because of some reason or power failure, and if I turn on my computer, I was not able to get the extra screen even though the monitor was attached with the um, HDMI to VGA converter or DP to VGA converter. Yeah, so this is the connector which I used to connect my extra screen over here. Yes, and so basically this is DisplayPort to VGA converter connector. Some of you might have HDMI to VGA converter. So in both situation, we will face this issue. And so how to overcome this situation? Let's see. So I'm restarting my computer over here, and we'll see the problem. So it has restarted now. We can see the symbol of HP over here. But if you see the second screen, its red button is still blinking. The light of that button is still blinking. It means that it didn't turn back. So we have lost the display of second screen over here. See that on primary monitor display has appeared, but on additional screen we haven't yet got the display. So what we have to do over here to overcome this situation, we have to simply shut down our computer and we also have to turn off our both monitors. So after shutting down the computer and turning off both the monitors, we simply have to shift the port. We have to remove the connector and we have to insert it in another one. And let's see now. On my computer and monitor both, we'll see if additional screen comes through or not. So here we go. You can see that red light of the button, it's continuously on, it is not blinking. It means that we will get the display. Yeah, so we just have to simply switch the port to overcome this situation. Just to repeat, what we have to do is just we have to use another port which we had not used earlier. In our example, earlier we had used the first one port and now we have shifted to another port. Most of the computers will be having two HDMI or display port, but where only one port is available, in that situation, we have to utilize that one port only. But in that case, you will have to give multiple attempts. Yeah. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you really liked it, please subscribe it and like it. Thank you.